What if your H1B chances suddenly doubled, but only for certain applicants? The US has completely changed how H1B visas are selected, and this shift is creating winners and losers. Under the new system introduced by the US Department of Homeland Security, the traditional random lottery is being replaced with a wage-based selection model. Earlier, everyone had roughly equal chances in a lottery system capped at 85,000 visas. But now, applications are ranked based on salary levels set by the Department of Labor. Higher salary offers mean higher chances of selection, and the impact is already visible. According to reports, selection rates have jumped dramatically. Some firms are seeing over 50% to even 60% success rates, compared to about 1 in 3 earlier. But here's the catch. The $100,000 H-1B application fee introduced under Donald Trump has significantly reduced the number of applicants. Universities, hospitals, and many employers have pulled back from hiring international candidates due to the high cost. As a result, the pool is smaller, and employees already in the US, especially those with higher salaries, are benefiting the most. For them, this new system has become a major advantage. However, for fresh international applicants, the path is becoming much harder. The system is now less about luck and more about salary and employer willingness to invest. Starting February 27, 2026, this new model will fully shape H-1B selections going forward. The big shift is clear: H-1B is no longer a lottery. It's a competition based on value.